Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a fail-safe. Export HKey local machine and HKey current user, then create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and close all non-essential apps to avoid locked keys. Run a quick antivirus scan to remove active malware that could keep corrupt entries returning. Now you have a clean, reversible baseline. Proceed to repair tools and targeted edits with confidence. You run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files that rely on registry entries. Type sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After that, use a reputable registry cleaner and carefully review each suggested change. Uncheck anything that looks unfamiliar. Make targeted manual edits for broken shortcuts, app paths, and uninstall keys inside Regedit. Check permissions before saving. Once you finish by rebooting twice and verifying startup behavior, checking Event Viewer for registry-related errors, and confirming apps open normally. If a problem remains, restore the system point or import your prior registry exports to undo risky changes. If keys stay locked or cleaners can't run, boot into safe mode. That reduces running processes and lets you edit or remove stubborn entries safely. Make sure to test core functions after each change so you can isolate the exact fix that worked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.